Welcome to the future workplace where artificial intelligence is not a competitor, but a collaborator. In this bold, revolutionary era, we're visualizing a state-of-the-art working environment where machines aren't adversaries, but allies. Picture a technologically advanced office space, powered by the limitless capabilities of AI, replacing traditional manual processes with automated intelligent systems. Our vision takes us to a world where AI works in harmony with humans, bridging the divide between synthetic intelligence and human intuition. This high-tech future makes tangible the concept of holographic screens previously confined to science fiction. Imagine interactive, three-dimensional visuals replacing flat, two-dimensional displays, transforming the way we share information and communicate ideas. Now, let's delve deeper into this exciting territory. We see a broad spectrum of professionals, engineers, doctors, artists, educators, and more, from diverse industries, harnessing the potential of AI to streamline their workflow, enhance efficiency and productivity. In this futuristic realm, an AI-powered office is not just a concept, but a reality we're steadily transitioning into. In this progressively digital world, 5 core competencies emerge as the foundation for a future-proof career. These competencies, built on the bedrock of AI understanding and application, will equip individuals to thrive in an evolving digital landscape. It's not a distant reality, but the world we're stepping into. In this world, 5 competencies stand out as the pillars of a future-proof career. Firstly, critical thinking. It's the ability to analyze situations, identify problems, and make informed decisions in a nuanced and thoughtful way. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence systems work alongside you as partners. They help break down intricate data into digestible information, provide valuable insights based on patterns and algorithms, and even predict possible outcomes with a high degree of accuracy. However, even in this technologically advanced scenario, it's your critical thinking that takes the spotlight when it comes to making the final. It's your ability to analyze every piece of information, balance the pros and cons, and consider the ethical implications of every choice before you. It's your capacity to navigate through uncertainties, interpret data in ways that machines can't, and make judgment calls that factor in more than just numbers. The power of AI is undeniable, making it an essential tool in today's digital age. But critical thinking, with flexibility, depth, and human-centered approach, remains a uniquely human skill. AI can assist us, but it can't replace our ability to think critically. Yes, AI is a powerful tool, but critical thinking remains a uniquely human skill, even in an AI-dominated world. Secondly, adaptability. The capacity to change, adapt, and grow is integral in a swiftly transforming professional environment. Irrespective of the industry, be it healthcare, commerce, or the creative arts, possessing the agility to shift, accept, and manipulate emerging technologies can morph potential obstacles into distinct advantages. It encompasses tweaking your methodology, revising tactics, and employing the potential of advancements in artificial intelligence rather than being apprehensive. Embracing change allows us to view it not as a threatening force, but as a tool for advancement, a stimulus for development. It paves the way for innovative thinking, encourages proactive problem solving, and empowers us to navigate the ever-changing terrain of the digital era. So, the ability to adapt effectively doesn't just ensure survival, it enables growth and success. Remember, adaptability is not just about survival, it's about thriving in the AI era. Thirdly, and fourthly, emotional intelligence and digital fluency. These two elements serve as the crux of professional success in the present era that is dominated by artificial intelligence. Emotional intelligence, often underrated, is the ability to identify, comprehend, regulate, and appropriately respond to our own emotions as well as those of others. It's the core of empathy, allowing us to form deeper connections, understand other perspectives, and hence foster a harmonious, productive working environment. On the parallel front, digital fluency carries equal weight. In an age where technology is progressing at a breakneck speed, it's essential to stay on top of advancements. It's not just about knowing how to use current technology, but also adapting to new emerging technologies with ease. This implies understanding the technological language, leveraging it to one's advantage, and staying abreast of the latest developments. The two, though seemingly disparate, actually complement each other beautifully. Emotional intelligence helps us navigate the human aspect of our work, while digital fluency equips us with the tools to thrive in the technology-dominated landscape. They help us to stay relevant and capable in a world that is increasingly relying upon artificial intelligence. Ultimately, striking a symmetrical balance between emotional intelligence and digital fluency becomes the cornerstone to achieving harmonious human-machine collaboration. It's about using our emotional understanding to guide our technological interactions and using our technological understanding to enhance our emotional interactions. Balancing emotional intelligence with digital fluency is the key to harmonious human-machine collaboration. Lastly, continuous learning. An enduring zest for knowledge acquisition is the robust engine that propels us towards advancement. In this rapidly evolving world, where artificial intelligence is reconstructing the very fabric of our existence, maintaining relevance necessitates a steadfast commitment to ceaseless learning and constant upskilling. It's not merely about staying apace with the swift changes. It's about wholeheartedly accepting them and utilizing their potent energy to drive us towards a progressive future. It involves comprehending the complex lexicon of AI and employing it to script our own unique stories. This constant pursuit for knowledge is not just an ephemeral trend, but a lifelong journey. As we find ourselves in the midst of the AI revolution, the ability to learn new skills swiftly and efficiently has become a prized attribute. It's about being adaptable, versatile, and on the cutting edge. It's about recognizing opportunities where others see only challenges and innovating where others stagnate. Staying relevant in the AI era means going beyond the basics, pushing the boundaries of what know, and constantly challenging ourselves to learn more. It's about making continuous learning a habit, a lifestyle, an attitude towards life itself. Continuous learning is the path to personal growth and professional success in the AI era. The AI era is here. As we stand in the threshold of this technological revolution, remember, it's not a battle against machines, but a synergy with them. The future, a dynamically evolving, progressively intricate entity, requires 5 exceptional competencies on your part. The first, critical thinking, to objectively analyze and evaluate data and issues. Then, adaptability, to adjust swiftly to the continuously morphing circumstances. Emotional intelligence, to understand, interpret, and respond emotions of yourself and others, is a crucial component too. You also need digital fluency, which is the ability to leverage digital technologies efficiently and effectively. Lastly, continuous learning, or the insatiable quest for knowledge and personal development. Equipped with these skills, you will be able to utilize AI as a robust ally transforming it into an accelerator for your career growth. They are your compass in this uncharted landscape, enabling you to evolve and truly excel. Embrace this change, upgrade your competencies, and prepare to excel in the AI era. Remember, the future has already arrived. Before we venture further into the future, let's take a brief pause. Have you heard about TechFactMax? It's a platform that offers exclusive access to the latest and most insightful tech news, resources, and insights. A subscription to TechFactMax is like having a personal assistant that keeps you updated on all the technological advancements, AI breakthroughs, and digital trends. It's a treasure trove of knowledge, helping you stay ahead in the age of AI and nurturing those competencies we discussed. Think of it as your personal guide, a beacon lighting your path through the vast expanse of the digital landscape. With TechFactMax, you will be armed with the knowledge you need to harness the power of AI, enhancing your critical thinking, adaptability, emotional intelligence, digital fluency, and continuous learning. Don't miss out on the latest in tech. Subscribe to TechFactMax today and transform yourself into a future-ready professional. After all, to thrive in the AI era, you need to stay updated, stay informed, and stay ahead. Now, let's continue our journey into